Right, I just wanted to share a couple of success stories with you about the new website I've created. It's markam.uk. If you haven't seen it already, I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. I'll also put a little link in the top corner if you want to check out a video I made on it very recently. So just briefly, the website allows you to upload your own images and then you can convert them into different types of line art. It is mainly made for people with laser engravers because it's easy to convert a photo of like a person or a vehicle, and then you can convert that into line art and have that as a vector and import it into your laser software. And that's going to be one of the success stories I'm going to tell you now. But before that, the first success story I want to tell you about is one of my users got in touch and he let me know that he actually uses my website to convert his customers' images into line art. He has his own store set up online where he allows users to send in photos. And then what he'll do, he'll just take those photos and convert them into line art for them and just charges them, obviously, whatever he's charging his customers. So, for example, he's paying roughly about 14 cents to convert an image on my website. And then on his store, obviously, he's charging his customers a little bit more on top. I won't go into too much details about it. He did tell me about the story, and I did ask if I can share it with you guys. But again, I don't want to give too much details away. He said, obviously, he doesn't mind if other people are doing it. He can't stop them at the end of the day. But it is a great little niche what he is doing for his customers. And he said he's making a good bit of profit where basically using my website isn't actually costing him a penny. And now for the second success story I'd like to tell you about is my own story. Somebody I actually know got in touch. They know I run a couple of different laser cutters and engravers, and they asked if I could make them some trophies for a car meetup they do. Now, this is very well known, and there are lots and lots of people from all over worldwide who do actually attend these meetups to look at things like classic cars and stuff like that, and modified cars. So we got in touch and asked if there's anything I can do for him, if there was anything I had in mind. So I loaded up my website. I just got an image of a classic car off the internet, and I just used the one button tool to convert it. And with that tool then, I was able to make these. If I can just get this in a little closer for you. Now this is just a rough test mock-up. The details of the car show and everything are not actually already on there. This was just a very rough one with an image of a classic car I found online. Just something I can send him so he can say yes or no, and he absolutely loved it. He said, obviously, can I do it with, different types of cars and with the details on it that he wanted. And then I showed him it's not just a piece of plastic with that engraved on mine. This is actually made to sit within these light bases. And then these look absolutely fantastic. I think that's actually backwards. And when they sit within these light bases, obviously it lights up everything that is engraved. So the actual outline of the car and then the name of the event all just shine through very bright and very clear. So needless to say, he was absolutely over the moon with this. And I've got an order confirmed that he wants me to make well over 100 of these, not only for the car meetup and everything, but I think they're going to go like on the online store. So anybody who couldn't make it or anybody who was a fan of it can obviously buy these off their website. But I must admit, the details we were able to extract just from uploading an image using the tool on the website was absolutely fantastic. I literally just dragged and dropped the image I wanted and just pressed the type of conversion I wanted, and it was done in seconds. But again, only cost me roughly about 14 cents to convert the image. But the amount of money I'm obviously going to make from sales for these, it is literally going to make paying for the website just pay for itself. So yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd make this video just to share a couple of success stories with you. I'm absolutely beyond proud of what this website is achieving. From the thousands and thousands of members we do have on this website, I truly am grateful. And for everybody who has got in touch, sent emails or filled out the contact form on the website to let me know what they actually think of it. Again, I'm truly blessed. I thought I was just going to get a lot of hate and stuff like that on it, but no. So many people have been so thankful for it and have been so kind to me. It's made the struggles that we've gone through to create the website the way we have really worth it. And I just want to extend my thanks to every single one of you. I really do appreciate it. And I'd also like to say a massive thanks to everybody who contacted me regarding like any bugs or glitches with the website and any suggestions they had. I've taken them all on board. I've also rewarded them with free credits for doing so. So if you've got any suggestions or noticed any bugs to the website, let me know. And yeah, I'll try and reward you back with some credits for the website. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and it has inspired you to give it a go yourself and go out there and make your own images. I know there are a lot more success stories to be told with this, and if you've got one, definitely let me know. So again, I'll put a link down in the description, guys. Check it out, give it a go. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, again, it does help me a massive amount. So I'm off now to spend the next few hours cutting out over 100 of these guys. So have fun testing out the website, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra now.